Can a GoHighLevel voice agent handle telemarketers? We're going to find out. Their business gets calls from customers, but it also gets spam calls. SEO companies, Yelp, funding companies, Google business profiles, scams, and software salespeople. Today I'm going to see how the GoHighLevel voice agent handles them. All right, the first one we're going to do here is a Google business profile scam. So we're going to start the call and just kind of see how that goes here.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is Jason with Google Business Services. We're calling because your Google business listing is about to be suspended. Can I speak with the owner?
Of course. Let me transfer you to Mark, our owner, right now. Please hold just a moment.
Okay, so that one got through to me, which I would not want that one to do that. So I'm gonna have to update the prompt there. We get these a lot. My customers get these a lot, and they're always asking about stuff. So this is a good example. That's just call one. All right, call number two here. We're gonna do a Yelp salesman. They call a lot. Yelp sales does. So let's just jump into it. Number two here.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is Fred with Yelp. We noticed Watermark Design is taking full advantage of our Yelp advertising. Is Mark available for just a couple minutes? If I transferred, we'd love to help generate more local leads. Is this something that would do for you?
Absolutely. Thanks for clarifying, Fred. Watermark Design doesn't handle Yelp advertising or lead generation for other businesses. We focus on...
No, I don't think you understood me. I said, we noticed that Watermark Design isn't taking full advantage of Yelp advertising. Is Mark available for just a couple minutes? I'd like to talk to him.
Sure. Of course. Let me transfer you to Mark, our owner, right now. Please hold just a moment.
Okay, there I did not speak clearly, but when I said it exactly how I wanted it there, it's transferring the Yelp sales guy to me, which I don't want to deal with the Yelp guys. So I'm going to have to also fix that one in the prompt too. Call number three we're going to do here is business funding. This is a common one that we get. So we're going to try that and see what it says for there.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hey, this is Jake with National Business Funding. We pre-approved your business for up to $250,000 in working capital. Is the owner available?
Thanks for reaching out, Jake. Watermark Design doesn't handle funding or lending inquiries, so I'm going to let you go. Have a wonderful day.
Oh, bummer. Sorry to see you go.
No worries at all, Jake. Thanks for calling and take care.
So that one actually handled it correctly. It did not forward it over to Mark. That one actually worked how I wanted to, but that one I'd already put in the prompt. So that one's good to see that one is working for business funding. All right, we're going to jump on to the next one here. So this one is another common one, which kind of overlaps with what I do, but I don't like to do the cold calling. So this one's call number 4, and we're going to do SEO cold call. A lot of times people will do this, and yeah, so I'll just see what happens here, and we'll do a new call.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling because I noticed your website isn't ranking on Google. We help businesses get to the first page. Is Mark available?
Thanks for letting me know. It sounds like this call is more about offering services than a support request for Watermark Design, so I'm going to let you go. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you. I was just wondering if you need some SEO services.
Got it. Thanks for reaching out, but we're all set for now. Take care and have a great day.
All right, so that one answered correctly. It didn't push it through to me. That's how we wanted to do that for the SEO cold call when people are soliciting, trying to sell you stuff. You'd be surprised how many people that actually call my business, and I also do SEO, so they don't really know what business they're talking to when they do the calls. All right, the next one is going to be call number 5. We're going to do a website salesperson. It's going to hit home a little bit with what I do. All right, let's see how it handles that. Should be interesting since, yeah, I offer the same services what we're going to be asking for.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm a web consultant. Your website looks a little outdated. We could redesign it for you. Is the owner available?
Thanks for reaching out and for your feedback. The owner isn't available to take calls directly, but I can take a message for Mark. Could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you?
Oh, that's okay. I'll try another time. Bye.
All right. Thanks for calling. Have a great day.
All right, so that one worked well for the website salesman and knew that it wasn't going to push the call through to me because that's what we do. And I prompted that already in there correctly for the AI agent. So that one worked well and passed the test. Now we're going to try call number 6 here. And this is software sales. We'll see what he does on this one.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, we have an AI platform that can automate your business.
That makes sense. Thanks for reaching out. We're all set on our end and not looking for new platforms right now. But I appreciate the call.
Can I schedule a demo?
Thanks for your interest, but we're not looking to schedule any demos or explore new platforms at this time. Wishing you a great rest of your day.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. Take care.
Yeah, so that one worked well because I was trying to overlap with what we do, and you're actually talking to an AI agent, and then somebody calls trying to sell you AI platform or automation. So that one handled well. It did not want to take it, so that worked out well. It's kind of funny that that was what we're going to do on that one. The next one here is call number 7, and we're going to do credit card processing, and we'll see how Finn reacts to that.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, we're lowering processing fees for local businesses. Can I speak with whoever handles merchant services?
Thanks for letting me know. Watermark Design doesn't handle merchant services or processing fees, so this isn't something we need. I'll let you go, but have a great day.
All right, so that one worked well. It didn't want to push that through to me, so that was good to see that it ended the conversation politely and just moved on. This next one here is going to be call number 8, internet provider. We'll see how this one goes.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
We're upgrading business in your area to fiber internet. Who handles your internet service?
Thanks for reaching out. But we're all set with our current internet provider and not looking to make any changes. I appreciate the call. Have a great day.
Okay, are you sure? Okay. All right, so that one did it well. It went through. I just hung up because I didn't want to listen to it say anything else. We'll go on to the call number 9 here, and this is call number 9. Persistent salesperson. This one should be a little fun. We'll see how it interacts with this when I just stay persistent.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Can I speak with Mark?
Of course. Let me transfer you to Mark, our owner. Right now.
Can you take a message for me?
Absolutely. I can take a message for Mark. Could you please share your name, your business name, and the best phone number for Mark to reach you? Then let me know what you'd like him to know.
Just tell him John called.
All right. I'll let Mark know that John called. Could you share your business
No.
name?
Can you put on hold first? Can you just put me on hold so I can talk to him in a little bit? Okay, it looks like we stumped him on that one. He didn't know how to handle those random questions. So that one I'll have to look into fixing the prompt on that one for the business. Now we're going to do call number 10 here. The sneaky salesperson. We'll see what he does on this one.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Is Mark available?
Of course. Let me transfer you to Mark, our owner, right now. Please hold just a moment.
It's a personal matter, business matter.
Understood. Just to make sure Mark can follow up if needed, could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you?
I'd rather not say.
No problem at all. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's it. All right, so call number 10, it didn't really work as well as I thought. It's automatically when somebody asks for Mark, it's just pushing it through it right away. So I should probably put something in the AI agent to not always push it through to me right away, especially if they don't recognize the phone call, if it's a past client. So that's something I'll be working on fixing. You can watch in new videos coming out. Something I'm going to try that might be a little funny. We'll see how it interacts with another AI agent if I act like I'm an AI receptionist calling, and kind of talk about how we could replace their AI receptionist with a better one. This one could be funny. I'm going to call because I'm going to say, I heard you guys are using AI receptionists, and we'd like to replace it with our AI receptionist and see how it handles that call.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling because I heard you're asking. Hi, I'm calling because I heard you're using an AI receptionist. We'd like to replace it with our AI receptionist.
Absolutely. Thanks for reaching out and letting us know about your service. We're all set with our current system for now, but I appreciate your call. Have a great day.
Wouldn't you want a better AI receptionist than the one that I'm talking to right now?
Sense? I appreciate the offer, but we're happy with our current setup and not looking to make a change at this time. Thanks again for reaching out. Have
You sure?
a wonderful day.
I think I should speak with Mark. He might know better of what type of AI receptionist, what they should do. I don't know.
Absolute. No worries at all. If there's anything else you'd like to share, or if you have a message for Mark, I can take it down and make sure he gets it. Otherwise, thanks again for calling and have a great day. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that's it. All right, so that one, it kind of rerouted a couple times. I didn't speak as clear as I probably should have on there. But you got the idea. He knew that that we had AI receptionists, so he wasn't going to try to take that call at all and replace it with a new one. All right, so if you like these type of videos, remember to subscribe below and like, and let us know. These are just 10 examples that we went through today trying to stump our AI agent and kind of have a little fun with it. And just trying to see if GoHighLevel voice agent can actually handle telemarketers. We had a couple that got through. We had a couple that it stopped. It's all in the prompts and building that back-end agent, the brain side of it correctly. And it looks like there's a couple that I got to put in there so it doesn't get through. Let me know below, are you guys having troubles with your AI agent, or you're on the fence about should we set it up for our business? Let me know what different tests you want me to try. I like trying them on my own business because I can do that with my own business and not have to worry about messing up my customers. So let me know if you want me to try something on my business and see if they can get through. What type of stuff would you like me to try next? Leave in the comments below.